Today, I'll show you how to log into your Discover credit card account. Whether you're accessing it from a computer or using the Discover mobile app, the process is straightforward and simple. Let's get started. First, you need to visit the Discover website or open the Discover mobile app on your device. This is your gateway to managing your finances with ease and security. Once there, you'll find yourself on the login page, the key entry point to be pointed to your account. Now, here's where you'll enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your user ID and password. It's crucial to make sure that your information is entered correctly to avoid any login errors. Once you've double-checked your entries, simply tap or click on the login button. This action will seamlessly take you right into your account, where you can view your balance, make payments, and more. However, if this is your first time accessing your account online, you'll need to complete a quick registration process. Look for the Register Account option on the login page. Click on it and follow the instructions provided. You'll be guided through creating your user ID and password, setting you up for future logins with ease. Now, if you happen to encounter any issues logging in, don't worry. There's a simple fix. If you've forgotten your user ID, just select Forgot User ID. Similarly, if your password slips your mind, choose Forgot Password. By doing so, you'll be guided through a few easy steps to recover and reset your account information. This ensures that you can regain access without any hassle. And that's it. That's how to log into your Discover credit card account. With these steps, you can easily access your account whenever you need to, keeping track of your finances in a secure and user-friendly way. Remember, keeping your login information safe and secure is important, so be sure to store it in a secure place. Thanks for watching, and happy banking with Discover.